ASRock is leading the way with a revolutionary new kind of gaming monitor. The PG34WQ15R3A is a 7D by high-gain Wi-Fi antenna built right into the monitor stand. It features two SMA, sub-miniature version A, connectors, which allow users to connect a Wi-Fi card antenna output straight away. Tests have confirmed the technology is a huge success, with a reported 40% improvement in download speeds and a staggering 130% gain in upload speeds. Ping also has been observed to be reduced by 25% and jitter by 75%. This makes it perfect for streaming, video conferencing, cloud backup, and online collaboration. /n/. The size of the built-in antenna in the monitor stand is a much bigger advantage than the antenna found on a Wi-Fi card. It's also in a better spot, on the desktop, instead of being tucked away in a corner or under a desk, which helps increase signal transmission. ASRock is the first to offer this kind of product, but it's only a matter of time before other companies follow suit. /n/. This is a huge development for business PCs, both those in an office setting or otherwise. It can provide a significant boost to productivity and performance, without requiring a huge investment. This kind of technology is especially useful with bigger screen sizes. With 21-inch to 27-inch displays now more common in workplaces, this feature can be highly beneficial. /n/. The connection offered by ASRock's PG34WQ15R3A also makes it possible to add accessories, like monitor arms and even computers, behind the screen by using a VESA mount. This is a major breakthrough that could be used to save on desk space while still having all the needed tech on hand. Of course, the size of the antenna means it won't be of use with laptops, unless they are used with a laptop docking station with a dedicated USB Wi-Fi card. /n/. ASRock's PG34WQ15R3A could be an answer for gamers, ambitious business users, and everyday users alike. Arguably, this is one of the best accessories for streaming, video conferencing and creating content in one reliable place. It can also be a great way to maximize efficiency and real estate while cutting costs. Keep up to date on all these revolutionary new innovations with Tech Radar Pro and other industry leaders.